Hello students, today we are going to discuss about inverse Laplace transform. So for the given x of s, we are going to find out inverse Laplace transform. So the question is find inverse Laplace transform of x of s which is given by 1 by s square plus 3s plus 2. So for that we need first the formula for your factors. So generally we have formulas for your inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s. So what is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s? It is u of t. Okay. Similarly, Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a is given by e power minus at u of t. So for the quadratic equation, we don't have the direct formula. Some formulas are there where you have 1 by s square plus a square, like that. If you have, we can apply your inverse Laplace formula directly also. If it is complex terms and all, we can apply directly. So given is the equation 1 by s square plus 3s plus 2. So see the denominator. So is it possible to find out the factors? Okay. So when I have this term, how I can write this in factors? So 2 is a multiplication term. So what I have, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 and 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Okay. So I can write this term as s plus 2 into s plus 1. Okay. So this term's factors is nothing but s plus 2 into s plus 1. Okay. So you can cross verify. S into s is s square. 2s plus s is nothing but 3s, and again 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. Okay. So if I have term like this, the third value, that is your constant value, you have to take it as 2. So when you multiply, I should get a 2. Okay. When you add these two terms, I should get the coefficient of s. Okay. So here it is 3. So 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So this is nothing but x of s. Okay. So we know that I can have a Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a. Okay. If I have only one term 1 by s plus 2, I can directly take inverse Laplace transform. But here it is not possible to take or apply directly the inverse Laplace transform. Okay. So what is the next step? We have to apply partial fractions. Okay. That we are going to split this denominator term into two terms. Okay. Addition of terms like that we are going to split up. Okay. So 1 by s plus 2 into s plus 1, we are going to split this into a two terms, or in another way I can say that I am going to represent it as a addition of two terms. Okay. So for that I have to apply partial fractions. Okay. So given is your x of s. Okay. Which is given by 1 by s plus 2 into s plus 1. So how will you apply partial fraction? Since you have two terms in the denominator, okay, I can write it as a by s plus 2 plus b by s plus 1. Okay. And again, I have to compare these two terms. Okay. So in the denominator, this is the whole term. Okay. This whole term I have to compare with the denominator term of a. Okay. When you compare this term and this term, I have already s plus 2 in the denominator of a. Okay. So I'm just telling the easy method. Okay. So here s plus 2 into s plus 1. So this I'm writing is as a by s plus 2 plus b by s plus 1. Compare this term with s plus 2. Okay. So already I have s plus 2. Which term is not there? The s plus 1 term is not there in the denominator. So I have to cross multiply that value. Okay. So a value will be multiplied by s plus 1. Okay. And then again, see the denominator term of b and the original term. So already s plus 1 is there in the denominator. So which term is not there? S plus 2 is not there. So that I have to multiply with b. Okay. And here in the left hand side, the numerator part, whatever you have, write it in the left hand side. Okay. So most probably what the people will do, no, they will cross multiply like this, a into s plus 1 plus b into s plus 2, all these things you will do. But what you people will do, always you will write here as 0. So if this step is wrong, whatever you are going to solve next, it is going to be wrong. So what term you have in the numerator, okay, in the original term, what you have in the numerator, that you have to write in the left hand side. Okay. Now we need to find out a value and b value. Okay. So how to find your a value? If I substitute s equal to minus 2, okay, this term get cancelled, so I can determine a value. If I substitute s equal to minus 1 here, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, so this whole term get cancelled, I can find out b value. Okay. So we have to find out a value and b value. So whatever you have here, if I have plus 1, substitute minus 1. If I have plus 2, substitute minus 2. Okay, and find out the other terms. Okay. So substitute s equal to, for this term I have to substitute minus 1. For this term I have to substitute minus 2. Okay. If I have minus 2 here, I will substitute plus 2. Okay. So if you have minus terms, substitute positive terms. If you have positive terms, substitute minus term, negative terms. Okay. So substitute s equal to minus 1. What happens? Here in the left hand side again, okay, whatever you are having, you have to write that. Suppose if you have s terms in the left hand side also, you have to substitute values. Okay. So I have only constant values, right, as it is 1 equal to, okay. When I substitute s equal to minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So this whole term becomes 0. A into 0 is nothing but 0. Okay. So this whole term get cancelled. I will get only the second term. So b of, what is s value? Minus 1 plus 2. Okay. So 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So you have only 1 here. So it is nothing but b is equal to 1. Substitute s equal to minus 2. Again, left hand side value is 1. Okay. When I have here a minus 2 plus 1. Here minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. So this whole term will become 0. 0 into b will become 0. So this term becomes 0. So here 1 equal to a into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So a equal to minus 1. Okay. 1 divided by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. So you have determined now a value as minus 1, b value as 1. Okay. Substitute in the given equation x of s. Okay. So for your reference, I will write just, okay, this a you have determined as minus 1, this b you have determined as 1. Okay. So x of s is minus 1 by s plus 2 plus 1 by s plus 1. Okay. So now apply inverse Laplace transform for the given terms. Okay. So we know inverse Laplace of 1 by s plus a is e power minus a t u of t. Okay. So using that formula. So what is inverse Laplace? We are going to take inverse Laplace transform on both sides. Okay. So when you apply inverse Laplace transform of x of s, it will become x of t. Okay. For this term, if you apply inverse Laplace transform, so minus 1 means you can write minus 1 as it is. Okay. For 1 by s plus 2, how you can write? E power minus 2t u of t. Okay. Here it is plus 1, so no problem. So 1 by s plus 1. Okay. How you can write 1 by s plus 1? You can write e wherever you have a, you have to replace it by 1. Okay, so e power minus at. So just you can write it as e power minus t, because where you have a, here it is 1. Okay, 1 into t. So e power minus t u of t. So 1 by s plus 2 means I can write it as e power minus 2t u of t. Okay, and for 1 by s plus 1 I can write it as e power minus t u of t. Okay, so using these two formulas I am getting your x of t as this. Okay, so x of t I can write as minus e power minus 2t u of t plus e power minus t u of t. Okay, so this is the inverse Laplace transformation of given x of s. Okay, thank you students, thanks for watching.